Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. If you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comment. Now when you take a look at this gold, you can clearly see that on our gold we are in an uptrend move. So gold is literally trending to the upside. So we add this high, then gold eventually give us this higher low. Then here comes the higher high. So we can clearly see that here is our higher high, then here comes the higher low. Gold eventually give us an higher high, here comes the higher low. Now gold has now given us a new higher high and currently we are playing an higher low. So we should expect the higher low to continue pull back. See it eventually give us a buy setup that will indicate that it wants to push up to form a new higher high. Are we still going to be going bullish? Absolutely yes. But a pullback is currently playing out now. So watch out and let the pullback plays out finish. So probably we might be looking for our buy setup around this level here. So this is our support level here. You can see that multiple rejection at this level here. Market rejected multiple times and also rejected here. So we should be looking for a buy setup from this level on our GBP, on our gold. That is what we should be looking out for. We should be looking for a bullish move, and that bullish move should play a buy, give us a buy setup. Then we can take the buy. If there is no buy setup, do not take the buy. But if there will be any changes to this movement that we predicted, it will be covered in the channel. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on that subscribe button now.